Kani kadega Batisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balawan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Hadian baka yeng dorbar tauan ke jela kala munjur ya ka resolution bandawa ya ka Sarkar India bakan pentre kamno daga airline permit ha ka jela Meghalaya ka Sarkar jela kala bu thong ban leira bat ban IT ya ka ni ka resolution hau menteri ketnat kampo yeng ka Sarkar India hadian balakut ka jing rakhe Christmas. Kabati CTV haga jingekren batu sembut menteri rangba ke jela uba presiden tensang haga arflai terik unok pra arjar khat khandai ulai tu bahaga ni ka kenti ke Sarkar jela kan kham banjur yau Amit Shah ban ai ka airline permit haga jela Meghalaya khnang ban yada bat ban perking ya ke jingwan rung BI jongki poiwer bat ki mendari syaga jela Meghalaya.
Nilai railang na kami kasur ba we will pursue this issue very aggressively with the government of India. They natrai kata kabanga don't know. And I'm positive ba let's say KK kita pengerti. Adin jong ke New Year, the government can pursue yang ni, kan lay ruban han always. Ongno personally, ya Union Home Minister, nomor urla kular ba. Go celebrate your Christmas, your New Year well, and thereafter you come back and meet me. Tingin lagi atas rekat resolution kamu nak passの house. Do hoi ngilanang submit. Resolution kalau ngilanang submit cakap Home Ministry dan dari personally kaba apa delegation kaba nyalam na Chief Minister ngir select biar pada siapa.
Usually po house nagaliang ka Congress ka demand ka state government ban bu ya ka ta kerja deadline ya ka government of India ban implement ni ka IIP.
Pi bani pi begini keren kumta bu deadline nya tharai kam arise. Kam bahai ru bengin suya keren bekumta. Ban sukren ka masuk. Kum ki opposition kila ban ong ban ngide ban bu kumta kumta. Rengai masuk ban ong ba government to government, state government and the union government, we have to engage ourselves properly. Engage in discussion, engage in sharing our views. They hopefully will be able to get whatever the aspiration of the people. There is no differences between the aspiration from the government side as well as the public, including the civil societies. You don't kaju kejumut. But kejumut kalau baku mengapi no CAA number one, and number two we want ILP. I think that is very clear. Nakaliang jong ka state government, but nakaliang jong kiseng halang, nakaliang jong ki stakeholders, bro kaya apa kejalami klaro. Kata kalau very clear. Tenganga kabanganga I kalau ba habgidon lang in the same page. Balay bahkan wan kata ka isu jo kalau another. Kamdai ban ga kalau another problem. Lada ompen ban bakadon ke jingi tuku. Kadon ke confliction happening ka views na kaliang jong stakeholders. Ban kaliang jo government maybe kata kala ban don kalau another. Nrai ko mo pi ngai ngapil ba nadu kiseng balang kipaj ba inong song jong jalan la ba to ngilong cool ngilong kau ban ngin maintain ya kalau noda kenang ba kakamai kagaji kakam kajam ka bagi train man kasngi kadang kata den rei hakaju kapor ngin late ban pursue sa central government very aggressively na mangin yo yang ngin jing angnon jong ki pan ba ka jalami ka